We start at the battery. First thing is to make sure the battery is secure, the terminals are secure, and the red cover protecting the positive terminal is on. Secondly, we run to the fuel filter, making sure the hoses are good and the wire is connected underneath for the water sensor. Coming around here, we're checking the brake fluid, making sure the level is correct and the cap is fitted. And remember that this fluid also does the clutch as well, does 2 items. While we're this side of the engine, we check the engine oil. While the car is level, we remove the dipstick. We reinsert. We check the level. The level should be between maximum and minimum. Okay. No higher, no lower. Remove the air filter element. 3 clips. 1 screw on the top. And remove the air filter element. There are instructions on the air filter how to clean it. The bottom of the air filter is a small tray that will collect any large pieces of debris. Easy to refit. Then the air filter, we put the air filter back in. 3 clips. We top up the fluid in this bottle with the correct coolant from Toyota. And one important on the 70 series, make sure this pipe is here. Very important on the 70 series to make sure this piece of pipe is here. Okay. We spin the viscous fan when the engine is cold to make sure it turns. And we check the belts to make sure all the belts are there and they're tight. Checking the power steering oil. Making sure that the level is between for cold and the level for hot.